11. Work from home data entry jobs. Data entry jobs are often the most sought-after work-at-home jobs. They require no phone work, can pay well if you are a fast typist, and use a skill that many people already have. For this reason, these positions are often the hardest to come by. That's why we have ranked it as the last, so be sure to stick to the end. Kindly subscribe. Hourly rate in the US around $12. A data entry job sounds like an easy and possibly attractive work-from-home opportunity. The reality is that transferring data from one source to another source is usually boring and tedious. Even if you don't mind this type of work, the main problem with decent-paying remote data entry jobs is that they are highly competitive and seemingly tough to acquire. 10. SEO specialist. Search engine optimization, SEOs, is another career field that is in high demand. SEO is crucial for anyone looking to bring traffic to their website, but the whole concept can be confusing and tedious to most people, so they outsource SEO help, making this a high-paying online job. If you know the ins and outs of Google's ranking system, along with how to search for industry-specific keywords, develop keyword-rich content for the web, and create backlinks, you can definitely market these valuable skills. If you don't know much about SEO, you can certainly boost your skill set and take the time out to learn these skills by reading guides, online materials, and watching videos online. An SEO specialist can expect to make $29,000 to $60,000 per year. 9. Travel agent. Working as a self-employed travel agent can provide you with the opportunity to earn great money while helping others plan their travel adventures. Travel agents take over the entire planning and preparation process for clients, including finding and booking the best flights and accommodations, recommending excursions and arranging itinerary, helping the client secure the proper amount of travel insurance, and resolving any issues that occur when planning the trip. You won't believe how many people want to travel but don't know the first thing about booking a flight, weighing luggage, or organizing an itinerary for a safe and stress-free trip. As a work-from-home travel agent, you may want to undergo some industry-specific training and partner with a legitimate agency to increase your chances of landing more clients. Travel agents can make $25,000 to $51,000 per year. You can also start a YouTube channel on traveling and offer itineraries for a fee. Depending on the size of your YouTube channel, you can expect to make $500 to $50,000 a month depending on the size of your audience. 8. Public relations specialist. If you love marketing, social media, and working with the press, you can try working from home as a public relations specialist. You'll need experience in communications, journalism, or public relations. Your duties include drafting and pitching press releases, managing and improving social media profiles, coming up with a communications plan for clients, and securing and planning campaigns and events to promote the business and other related tasks. Public relations specialists are media experts, and this could be a fun and fulfilling high-paying online job for the right creative person. The best part is that thanks to video meeting programs like Skype and Google Hangout, all of the work and correspondence with the client can be done digitally, making this a very profitable online job. Public relations specialists can earn anywhere from $38,000 to $95,000 depending on experience and the clients you work with. 7. Graphic designer. The web design industry is booming these days. Businesses and professionals are always looking to either update their current website or establish a web presence for the first time. Now that Google has changed their algorithm to favor only mobile-friendly website designs, more and more businesses have become eager to redesign their website to meet these standards. If you have knowledge on Photoshop and can create custom graphics, you could advertise your graphic design services online and work from the comfort of your own home. As a graphic designer, you can make anywhere from $29,700 to $58,700 annually or more if you scale up and increase your rates over time. 6. Freelance writer. Freelance writing is a popular online job that allows you to work from home writing blog posts, journalistic articles, and other digital content for a variety of clients. Almost every industry and niche needs freelance writers, whether they require articles about travel, business, personal finance, fitness, health, parenting, and so on. Some freelance writers charge by the hour, but it's best to charge a flat rate per post or assignment. When you're just starting out, You can expect to make anywhere between $10 to $25 per post, but as you gain experience and network with other clients and businesses, you can make much more. Most successful freelance writers I've come across make at least $50 to $100 per post/assignment, and some even make more. 5. Virtual assistant. Virtual assistants are a growing need for businesses today. Virtual assistant jobs are very similar to administrative assistant jobs, except for the actual fact that you get to work virtually. Some virtual assistants concentrate on a certain area while others handle many types of tasks. A virtual assistant does everything from managing websites and social media, to reading and responding to emails, bookkeeping, scheduling posts, booking flights, scheduling meetings, and other administrative tasks, and more. You'll work for the company as a virtual assistant where they're going to match you to clients. Otherwise, you can start your business offering virtual assistant services. The broad range of responsibilities helps keep the job interesting and exciting. In order to become a VA, you'll need basic computer knowledge and typing skills, organizational skills, and the ability to catch on to new tasks and techniques quickly. Compensation ranges from $10 per hour on the low end to $30 per hour on the high end for more experienced candidates. 4. High-paying web designing jobs. Web designing has a vast scope with the booming IT industry, not only in the US but also abroad. If you love to design websites, why not do it for other businesses on your own terms? The first thing you'll require as a website designer is a portfolio, and it starts along with your own website. Your work as a website design consultant includes analyzing a website's design and determine how it is often improved visually to increase conversion. Once you start growing and get more clients, you can even expand your solo work-from-home gig to a virtual web design agency, increasing your pay ranges. Web development isn't an entry-level job as you need experience and training to complete projects to a satisfactory level. However, it's one of the higher-paying work-from-home job opportunities. The average full-time web designer earns nearly $70,000 per year, almost $32 per hour. 3. Financial, accounting, and bookkeeping jobs. Legitimate work-from-home jobs for accounting and financial professionals include certified public accountants, CPA, bookkeepers, and mortgage brokers. Being certified can support your chances of securing a position. This can start up the doorway for doing taxes as well. Doing taxes virtually is something that can easily be done through emails. You can be there to provide answers to any financial questions a business may have. The average full-time CPA earns nearly $40,000 per year, almost $19 per hour, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. 2. Online tutoring jobs. This is a terrific way to take your knowledge and share it with others, helping them learn and grow. Generally, tutors are professional teachers or experts who have a university degree and related instructor certifications. Online tutoring jobs typically require applicants to have a bachelor's degree, but each company's requirements are different and preference is given to candidates with more experience and higher education. Online tutoring gives people the chance to work full or part-time with very flexible hours. Most companies pay workers in these positions between $13 to $17 per hour. As an online tutor, you're ready to take on multiple clients and clock a lot of hours if you wish to. Anyone that loves to teach would enjoy these virtual teaching or tutoring jobs you can do online from home. 1. Social media management jobs. With the increase of social media came a need for people who can utilize those platforms across different industries. Work-from-home jobs on social media can include strategy development, community building, social media account management, creating and scheduling posts, and evaluating content. Social media management is an important role in almost any industry. Although social media managers typically have to do a lot of collaborations with the rest of their marketing team, it is still a job that can easily be done from home using online meeting tools. Depending on the work and type of client, you can easily charge $200 to $700 per month for handling one social media account. Additionally, when searching for a high-paying online job, the best thing to do is to find out what interests you the most, then consider the pay. If you aren't doing something that you are passionate about each day, you probably won't be satisfied with the work whether you work in an office or at your kitchen table.